Can I have a cheese? No cheese. No cheese. Say, I like cheese. No.
Trenton, you're not the boss.
No.
Don't say that.
Can I be in the picture? Wait. Wait.
It's a video.
Let me see the video. No.
Ow! Where's Kyla?
No.
Don't touch my camera.
No,
You're not being nice.
No.
You have a bad attitude. You need to go to bed.
No.
Do you want a spanking?
No.
Be nice. Be nice. Hi, handsome boy. You're too close. You're too close. That's me? Oh, that's me. That's wonderful, Kyla. There's Chase. And Trenton. Are you rotten?
My auntie. What's the
Oh, Chase, honey, you're heavy.
Who's boss, Trenton?
Chase, Mommy can't breathe. You're gonna have to get up.
Oh.
Now. Oh, thank you.
Ah.
Oh, you stepped on my head. Chase, Matthew.
What happened?
He stepped in my hair and it hurt.
Okay, stop it.
Chase, stop.
What happened?
Trenton, why are you so mouthy? And leave my boobies alone.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi,